Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. This pandemic pressure that has created chaos and disorder. The minds of people are peaceless, tension is everywhere. Yesterday, more than 500 cases of COVID positive were reported from entire UT of J&K and some deaths also took place. So the life is no doubt partially going on, but it is fully disturbed. In these days of pandemic, we need to be extra cautious, extra careful, extra vigilant to save our lives first, and then should give preference to the rest of the things that are related to life. I have told you many a times that life is precious gift of God, and we need to save our lives first, and then should give preference to the things that are related to life. Dear students, once life goes away, it is irreversible change. The same change can't be reversed, but you have to carry on as a biological being. So, in these days of pandemic, the home confinement is a remedy or it is a mechanism to fight every infection, and also can by remaining in home isolation you can prepare the things for the approaching examinations that are likely be held in the month of October or November. Dear students of class 11th, today we are dealing with one more important topic, that is the removal of the Indian president from his office. And before the removal procedure, I am giving you what are the qualifications of Indian president. The Indian president should be not should be first a citizen of India. He or she should not be less than 35 years of age. He should be an eligible voter and should be eligible for contesting elections of Lok Sabha. He should not be member of any house of the parliament or either house of the parliament. He should not hold any office of profit. Dear students, Article 54 of the Indian Constitution says that the Indian President is elected by an electoral college consists of elected members of both the House of the Parliament and state assembly, members of state assembly. And this is the electoral college, and that means the President of India is indirectly elected by the people. His term is of 5 years. It might be in your minds, but you are new to the political science. You have now opted political science as one of the subjects, but with the passage of time, you will grasp all the things. So, dear students, the President of India can resign from his post. He can send his resignation letter to the Vice President of India. But the President of India can be removed from his office. The Article 61 the Indian Constitution says that the Indian President can be removed from his office. The process called the impeachment of Indian President. It is well mentioned in the Constitution, Article 61. When charges are labeled to the President and when these charges prove right, he can be or she can be removed from his office. The process of proceedings of removal begin in either house of the parliament, whether it's Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, but this removal process should not be signed less than one fourth member of the one fourth strength of the house, whether it is Lok Sabha or it's Rajya Sabha. Dear students, the president is given chance to defend himself or herself. He can defend himself or she can defend herself in person or through his lawyer or her lawyer. When he is given 14 days or she is given 14 days to prove that his impeachment or his removal is not genuine. But once the charges labeled to the President of India proves right, he or she can be removed from his office by the process of impeachment. The process of impeachment is done by a resolution passed by both the houses of the parliament by absolute majority, that is by two-third majority. So the by two-third majority, both the houses of the parliament passes a resolution of the impeachment of Indian president when charges that are labeled against him proves right. So the president of India can be removed from his office if charges against him or against her proves right and his or her impeachment is done by the both the houses of the parliament with not less than two-third majority of the both the houses. Dear student, this is all about how president of India gets elected, what are his qualifications, and how he can be removed from his office. Dear students, you are new to the political science. You have now opted political science as one of the subject. Dear students, see these things on your available reference books of political science. If any sort of confusion or query strikes your minds after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query by any means, by calling me or by WhatsApping me, and your query or confusion shall be cleared very shortly. But before leaving class, I am advising you there is no substitution for self studies. Go for the self studies. Do see these things on your available reference books of political science, and you will get all the things with the passage of time. Once again, I am advising you remain confined to your homes, busy with the book, so that you can crack the coming examination with a difference, and you also can save yourselves from this deadly virus that is moving around. Thanks. Be balanced.